Fertilizing fruit trees is one of those crucial steps that can make all the difference between a mediocre harvest and a bountiful one. When done right, fertilization can boost tree health, enhance fruit quality, and increase the yields. But it's not just about tossing some fertilizer out there and hoping for the best. There's a bit more to it than that. Many gardeners struggle with figuring out the best way to fertilize their fruit trees. One common issue is nutrient deficiencies, which can arise if the soil lacks essential nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, or potassium. On the other hand, over fertilization can be just as bad, leading to weak growth, poor fruiting, and even environmental pollution. Today, I'm going to show you the process that I go through to fertilize my fruit trees. I found that this works best for my particular plants, and I'm willing to share it with you. Good morning, YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. So, we're in a new month, and it's time to do the monthly feeding of my fruit trees. Now, we're going to proceed as we do normally. We're going to go ahead and put a granular fertilizer down around the base, and then we're going to go ahead and give them a liquid feeding with the liquid fertilizer, fruit and flower formula, Agro Thrive. But after this feeding, I'm probably not going to feed them again at least until spring. And we're also going to, instead of using the watering can that we have been using, we're going to go ahead and connect it to the injector and run it through my Viga retractable hose. Let's get started. So in this canister, we have a mixture of blood meal, bone meal, and a general purpose fertilizer. And as I said, we're just going to spread it along the base of my Chickasaw plum here. So we're going to pull back the mulch, grab a handful, scratch it in, and put the mulch back on. Now we're going to do that for all of them, and we're going to do that via time lapse. So we went ahead and fertilized granularly with the fertilizer on all the plants. And off camera, I have went ahead and mixed up the solution, the fertilizing solution in my injector, and connected it to my Vigo retractable hose. And now we're going to go ahead and feed them with it. So as the water comes out, it has a little tint of brown to it, and you can smell the fertilizer. So we're going to give this a thorough watering, and we're going to do that to all the other ones as well. So I want to thank you for coming along with me while we probably did our last feeding of the fruit trees for the year. And as you can see, the trees are coming along well. I can only imagine how big they would have been if I had fed them when I first got them. But it was a lesson learned, and now I'm doing what I should have been doing all along, and the plants, the trees are benefiting from it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Hope it brought a smile to your face, a little joy to your heart. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment, good, bad, or indifferent, and I will reply. As far as the putting the fertilizer in the drip irrigation system, I'll put a link up on the screen for that. I have shown that before, so that's why I didn't show it this time. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, take a moment to consider doing so. I can grow a lot of food by myself, but one thing I can't grow is a channel without your help. If you do decide to subscribe, don't forget to hit the like, notification bell all, so you'll be notified whenever I upload new content. I guarantee you, if you like my content, your family and friends will also, so it's okay to share. So until next time, always remember to give the thanks to God, for without Him, we are nothing. Stay blessed, stay strong, and grow, grow, grow.